is Harry J from Ask Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can assemble or install your SSD card to your desktop computer, could be laptop computer. Process could be little bit different. In this case, I'm going to use a desktop computer. In my last video, I did an unboxing review of this SSD card. As you see in front of me, I have Samsung Western Digital 120GB SATA SSD card. So without any further ado, let's go to the process. As you can see, I lay my computer down horizontally on the table. Here you have hard drive, okay, and these are the port. If you want to stay with your hard drive, then you have to find a SATA cable, connect to your new SSD. Okay, I have one CD drive here too. So let me show you the port. This is the port one you need. This is SATA port. Another you need a power connector port. Let me show you where it is connected. As you see here, these are the SATA port place. Okay, I have less light here. As you see, 1 2 3 4 port I have. If you want additional, connect one, okay, or use the same as you want. So if you have two hard drive, it will be your main hard drive, the SSD, other will be additional hard drive. In my case, I'm gonna use this one only. I don't want two, or later I'll connect with two. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this one here. So we'll have hard drive here and this one at the top. I will do that and I'll be back. Okay, I'm here again. As you see, my SSD card is here. I connect with two screws. Now I'm gonna connect the power connector. As you see, this is the power connector. I'm gonna connect in the second port and down. This side is L shape. This should go at the part of L, and it's connected properly. Is done. It will make some ticking noise. The other one, it has also L shape. I'm gonna connect this one at the top. You see, thing is fine, is done, it's good. This is how you can assemble your SSD card to your desktop computer. And after that, you have to install a new Windows. I have so many videos to showing you how you can install Windows 8, Windows 10 in different computer, and also how you can make a flash drive with ISO to flash a new Windows. If you want to check my videos, those are helpful. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.